In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the NBA app. First, you will need to open the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device or the App Store for iPhone or iPad. On Android, look for the colorful Play Store icon, which usually resides on your home screen or in the app drawer. For iPhone or iPad users, locate the blue App Store icon on your device. This is the starting point for accessing all your apps. By opening the appropriate store, you begin the process of ensuring you have the latest features and bug fixes available for your NBA app. Next, you will want to search for NBA live games and scores in the search bar at the top of the screen. Type in NBA and watch as suggestions pop up. Select the correct option for the app, which is typically the first result. This action is crucial because it directs you to the app's specific page where you can see current updates and details. If you have trouble finding it, make sure your spelling is correct. This ensures you are looking for the right application and speeds up the process of updating. Once you have located the app's page, open it by tapping on the app icon. This will take you to the app's detailed information screen. Here you can see screenshots, reviews, and the current version number of the app. This screen is important because it gives you insight into what has changed in the latest version, such as new features or improvements. Understanding these updates can enhance your overall experience with the app. Now, check for an update button on the app page. If you see it, click or tap Update. This is the moment that allows you to download the latest version of the app. If there is no update button, it means your app is already up to date. Clicking on Update is vital as it ensures you have the most recent enhancements and security fixes. After tapping Update, you will see a progress indicator showing you how far along the update is. Wait for the update to finish. This process may take a few moments depending on your internet speed and the size of the update. During this time, it is essential to keep the App Store open and avoid exiting the application. This ensures that the update completes successfully without any interruptions. You can use this time to prepare for the next step, knowing that soon you'll have the newest features at your fingertips. After the update is complete, open the NBA app. You may be prompted to sign into your account again. This step is important, especially if the update made significant changes to the app. Signing in ensures that your personalized settings and preferences are restored. If you encounter any issues while signing in, don't worry. This can happen occasionally, but simply double-check your login credentials to resolve it. Note that if you see an open button instead of update, it indicates you are already using the latest version of the NBA app. This means you don't need to take any additional steps right now. It's a good practice to regularly check for updates to keep your app running smoothly. You can also enable automatic app updates in your device's App Store settings to receive future updates automatically. This little step saves you a lot of time later and keeps your app always up to date. In conclusion, you've just learned how to update the NBA app effectively. By following these steps, you ensure that you have access to the latest features and improvements available. Thank you for watching and enjoy your updated NBA app experience.